Most men think strength means never breaking. That's not it. The men who can't be destroyed, they've already been destroyed once. 5 secrets. Most men will never know them. 1. They feel everything, and move anyway. Unbreakable men aren't numb. They feel fear. They feel doubt. They feel the weight of failure. The difference, they don't negotiate with the feeling. Pain is not a stop sign. It's a signal. They know the difference. 2. They have a private standard no one else can see. Not for followers. Not for applause. There's a version of themselves they answer to when the room is empty. That standard doesn't accept excuses. When a man builds that, he becomes impossible to break from the outside. 3. They've made peace with being misunderstood. They stopped explaining their vision. Stopped defending their choices. Because they understood, you cannot be manipulated. If you don't need anyone's approval to feel whole. They build in silence. The results do the talking. 4. They broke first. Every unbreakable man has a chapter he doesn't read out loud. A moment he hit the floor, money gone, confidence gone, everything gone. The reason they're unbreakable isn't because life went easy on them. It's because when they were broken, they made one decision. I will be rebuilt. Not repaired. Rebuilt. That decision is everything. 5. They protect their peace like it's their most valuable asset. Because it is. They don't engage every argument. They don't carry every opinion thrown at them. A disturbed mind is a defeated man. So they cut the noise. Limit access. Say no without explanation. Peace isn't a mood. It's a practice. These 5 secrets won't change you overnight. But they'll show you where you've been giving things power over you that they never deserved. If this hit, share it with a man who needs it. Men talk. Men build. Men lead.